An HB welding rod is used for sealing corners where flooring is installed on both the walls and flooring surfaces. Prior to welding with an HB rod, clean both surfaces to be welded with isopropyl alcohol, removing all adhesive and any contaminating residue and foreign matter. Unlike welding flat seams, grooving is not necessary. Attach the HB weld tip to the welding gun and increase the heat setting by 1 number setting higher than what was used for the round profile rod. Allow to heat up for a further 5 minutes. Measure out the length of the HB weld rod needed and cut slightly longer than the seam that will be welded. Always perform a test weld on a scrap piece of flooring. Start at a corner. Insert the HB rod into the HB weld gun tip and position it into the corner. Moving the gun in a slow, consistent backward motion, ensure that the tip stays centered on the HB rod. Ensure the weld rod is applied straight and uniform. A wash will develop on both sides of the HB weld, which demonstrates that fusion is taking place. No trimming is required.